Come on. Let's see if we can get you in there. Let's see. We'll put it back a little further. Make you go in. Come on in. Come on. Good boy. Leaving the gate open because Linus is not thrilled about his crate. This is his second meal today. Trying to fatten him up just a little bit. He's a little skinny. Is that good, Linus? Oh, good food. And Daisy Mae's crying in the background because she would like to have some. Good boy, Linus. Good boy. Up right there, Johnny. Oh, Linus, was it yummy? Good boy, Linus. Good boy. You finished it all up? Good job, sweetie. Good boy. And out he goes. He doesn't like that crate. I'll be right there, Johnny.